Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can screenshot by tapping the back of your phone. So let's just go to settings, go down and go to accessibility. Then I am going to go to the touch tab under physical and motor, this one. Scroll down, and as you can see, my back tap is off. So what you're gonna do, sorry, you're going to go to back tap, double tap, and click whichever you want. So there's app switcher, camera, control center. You can just choose anyone, but I'm going to choose screenshot for mine. And you can also do the triple tap, but I'm just showing you that the double tap one is basically the same. And I'm just going to be showing you how it works. Okay, and I will now double tap at the back of my phone, and it will capture the screen. So let's double tap. Ta-da! And that is basically it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!